There's beauty in doing meditation with a whole lot of reverence and maybe some formality or going hard at it. But sometimes just in interstitial spaces of your day, you want something simple and quick. And it can be really good if you've got a meditation practice and the quick little thing that you do just connects you to the depth of that practice you've been doing. But even if you're just starting, right, it can be really nice sometimes just as a way in to do something just quick and dirty, or I don't know, dirty, but quick and simple. So this is a version of a practice that Mantak Chia calls the inner smile. It works with Chinese traditional 5 element or 5 phase metaphysics. And it goes like this. So find yourself someplace to sit. If you got a rocking chair can be just fine, but just find someplace to sit. And you can close your eyes if you want. I'm going to do it with my eyes open. I don't think you can see it with my T shades, but if you feel comfortable with the eyes open, do it with the eyes open. Just take a moment and imagine that somehow the light from the North Star can reach you at the space between your eyebrows, basically the third eye in Indian traditions, or in Chinese, it's a point called the yin tang point. So just imagine somehow that golden white light is traveling from the North Star somehow through all the universe. Bam, it hits you right there. And just send some kindness to it. Just be open to like the warmth of it. Or if that seems too complicated, just like take a moment and notice the space between your eyebrows. And then imagine that the light cascades down inside your body and it lands on your heart. And imagine that your heart is glowing in red light. And if your eyes are closed and it feels calm, you can smile in your imagination to your heart, or you can just almost like think of the heart in red light. And you might, if you want, just very softly vocalize the ha sound. Go ha, ha, ha. And imagine your heart and the red light with all of the energy and quality of fire in the south. And then imagine your lungs in white light. Imagine them glowing from within and wrapped from without in a soft white light. And if you can smile down to them, do that. But if you just want to think about your lungs in white light, that works. And you might imagine it's all of the qualities of metal and the shininess of silver and gold and steel. You might very softly just make a soft hissing sound. And if that seems silly, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just imagine your lungs in white light. And then move on to your liver on the right side of your body, down near the lower rib cage. Imagine you can see your liver glowing from within, wrapped from without, in a green light, the green light of wood energy in the east. And you might say, shh, and imagine just releasing any anger that doesn't help. And then move on to your spleen and your stomach on the left side. Imagine you can see them glowing in a yellow light. And smile to them. Send some kindness to them. Maybe imagine you can just somehow, by doing this, release any sense of worry or anxiety or ungroundedness or uncenteredness. Connect to the center of things somehow. Maybe very gently say, who, go. And then imagine you can see your kidneys, and your kidneys are glowing from within and wrapped from without in a deep blue light. If you're a Duke basketball fan, maybe it's a royal blue. If you're a Carolina fan, you can do light blue. Joking aside, just see blue light. And imagine you can release any fear and connect to the direction north. You might very softly just say, choo, choo, choo. And then you can let it go. It's just a real simple little meditation. I mean, it's got all these layers to it, right? But basically you just are like sending kindness to parts of your body. Like you can think of it as sending kindness to literally to your heart, your lungs, your liver, your spleen, your kidneys. You can think of it as sending it to all the things those things represent. And however it went, you're done. Look around. Pretend nothing happened. Go back to drinking your coffee if you got coffee, and do your day. All right, thank you.